Hello patients, welcome to Medical Tourism Portal by Meditourine. Patient can register itself and book appointments with desired hospitals and doctors online through this portal. Patient can register itself through patient registration.
Once the registration window opens, patient can fill his or her personal details and on clicking the submit button, patient will get a username pop-up and a confirmation mail in his or her mail ID in which login credentials will be there. Now patients can log in through patient login and on clicking the submit button, patient can access his or her dashboard. Patient can edit his or her personal details through Edit Profile tab. He or she can upload his or her personal documents and medical descriptions like prescriptions, reports, etc. through these different tabs. In order to book appointments with hospital, patient can do so by clicking on this link. Once the hospital list appears, patient can search his or her desired hospital through different search options. After getting his or her desired hospital, patient can visit hospital's profile. In Hospital Profile tab, patient can book appointment through this link. In order to complete the appointment process, patient has to fill all the details and click on Book Appointment. Patient can check all his appointment details through this table. Here the status of this appointment is currently pending. Once hospital approves your appointment request, you will see something like this. You can see your appointment schedule here.
Similarly, in order to book appointments with doctor, one can do so by clicking on this link. After searching the desired doctor, patient can book appointment through this button. After selecting all the required options, you can book appointment. You can check your appointment with doctors here. If a patient wants to give rating and reviews, one can do so by clicking on this link. Patient can see all the booking details here and can give rating to Mediterranean, hospitals and doctors according to the service. That's all in this video. Hope it helps. Thank you.